Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my vlog. Guys, kamusta kayo? So yan, na lang ulit nag-vlog. So alam mo na yan. Then yun nga guys, napansin nyo is maulan na. So yan, lagi kayo magdadala ng payong, jacket, and extra damit, then slippers para ano mo yun, para iwas tayo sa sakit, lalo sa mga papasok ng work. So yun. So yan guys, for today's video guys, meron naman akong matinding ganap na gagawin dito sa vlog ko, which is ang another cosplay competition. Yan guys, yung event na yan nagaganapin ngayon sa Festival Mall sa May Alabang. So yan, na-miss ko to and now na lang ulit ako lalaban ng cosplay, which is a cosplay crosswalk. So ito yung nakaraan, ito yung kauna-unahan kong laban. Yan, naalala nyo yan, na ginanap sa may Robinson Dasma. So yan yung costume ko nun, si ano ba yan, nalimutan ko na yung pangalan. Basta, so yan guys, ang ito-cosplay ko naman ngayon is ang pinaka main character ng series na to, which is ang aking super lodi na si Uzumaki Naruto. So yan guys, abangan yung aking costume mamaya. Siyempre kasama ko sila mahal mamaya, and si Daniel is isasama ko rin siya sa sa event na to. Itong kanang-kanahan niyang cosplay experience. So yan guys, naka-prepare na ako ng gamit. So yan is makikita-kita na lang kami doon. So yan guys, samahan nyo sa aking cosplay competition, and I hope may masumpit tayong kahit paanong simpleng prices sa aking gagawin, and kahit paanong pinagandaan ko to. And yun nga, isabangan nyo yan sa vlog ko na to at samahan nyo ako sa aking cosplay competition ganap. So guys, hindi ko na ito patatagalin guys. Tara na at punta na tayo sa ating cosplay event. Here we go! So yun guys, welcome back. Nandito na kami sa Festival Mall, and dun inabutan kami ng ulan, pero kahit paano maganda dito sa entrance Festival Mall, may bubong. So yun guys, kaninang 10 AM pa nagsimula yung event, pero ano lang naman yun, para mga introduction. Bali, ang event talaga na kailangan namin masaktuhan is yung parade tsaka yung crosswalk, and 2:30 pa mag-start yung parade. So may oras pa kami para makapag-picture doon, makapagpalit ng damit. So yun guys, samahan nyo kami sa aming vlog today, and may enjoy nyo yan. And yan, kasama si Ate Kashmir. So first time niya makakasama dito ulit. So yan, so tara na. So guys, nandito kami sa loob. So ngayon pupunta na kami guys sa pinaka-event. Doon yun sa 3rd floor. So tara na. Guys, costume na kami. So, kasama natin Kashmir. So yan guys, tara na at may start na kami.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is all.
Guys, maya start na ang parade. So tara na. Tara na, boy.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane. Making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. Bad energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can try me. If you wanna hate this, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fight me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Ain't no motherfucker in this world can do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough
So yun guys, natatapos na ng cosplay parade. So next na cosplay crosswalk. So punta na kami sa backstage para rumampa. So abangan nyo ang aking simple presentation para din Naruto. So tara na.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I'm doing so descriptive, like an adjective. I gotta damn get it against people who patent it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Speaking slow, speaking fast, got the roast, got your gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I got no adapt. Can erase all the past and the pettiness. Always fighting all the emptiness, hilarious. You get off of me. This ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to say
So yun guys, tapos ng cosplay event. So yan, pauwi na kami. And I hope na-enjoy nyo yung aming video vlog ganap for today. And na-enjoy ko itong ano na to ngayon, itong kanilang cosplay event. And doon sa mga nagpa-picture sa akin, salamat po, salamat. So yan, sa mga fan din ni Naruto. And guys, kakain muna kami bago kami umuwi. So yan. And guys, hanggang dito na lang muna ang aking video vlog. So after nyo ako na video na to, huwag na kakalimutan mag-like at subscribe para mas update kayo sa aking mga susunod na vlog ganap. So hanggang dito lang muna, bye bye and stay safe.